In this video blog, I will be discussing a very interesting topic called neoevolution. I will be describing exactly what it is, what its primary tenets are, current technology that falls into this category, the benefits and drawbacks of this type of technology, the moral and ethical implications of this technology, and my own opinion of whether we should continue to pursue this form of technology. So what is neoevolution? According to Wikipedia's definition, neoevolutionism is a social theory that tries to explain the evolution of societies by drawing on Charles Darwin's theory of evolution and discarding some dogmas of previous social evolutionisms. Neoevolutionism is concerned with long-term, directional, evolutionary social change and with the regular patterns of development that may be seen in unrelated, widely separated cultures. This theory differs from any other like it. And when it comes to its primary tenets, neoevolutionism discards many ideas of classical social evolutionism, namely that of social progress, which was so dominant in previous sociology evolution-related theories. Along with that, neoevolutionism discards the determinism argument and introduces probability, arguing that accidents and free will have a great deal of impact on the process of social evolution. It also supports the counterfactual history, asking what if and considering different possible paths that social evolution may or might have taken, and thus allows for the fact that various cultures may develop in different ways, some skipping entire stages others have passed through. Lastly, neoevolutionism stresses the importance of empirical evidence. While 19th century evolutionism used value judgment and assumptions for interpreting data, the neoevolutionism relied on measurable information for analyzing the process of cultural evolution. Next, I will discuss the type of technology that is in use today and will continue to alter human evolution in the future. This technology is known as augmented limbs, such as exoskeletons. In the article titled 4 Technologies That Could Change the World, James Bruce explains why these might not have filtered down to consumer level yet. Strap-on exoskeletons are already in wide-scale use in the military, so this isn't so much of a future technology as right here, right now. Once someone climbs into one of these exoskeletons, that person is instantly stronger, more mobile, more durable, and more protected. To give an example, the military has a particular exoskeleton that is called a XOS-2 suit. A soldier wearing this technology can carry 400 pounds, but only feel the weight of 23.5 pounds. As it comes to how augmented limbs will potentially benefit human evolution, there are many ways. First, sticking with the military and exoskeletons, there will hopefully be fewer deaths in the military because of the added protection they can provide a soldier with. Also, efficiency will rise because someone with an exoskeleton can do the same job that it used to take 2 or 3 people to do. Other ways augmented limbs will benefit human evolution is by giving people who lost limbs or who can't walk the ability to use that function of their body again. Alternatively, as it comes to potential drawbacks to human evolution due to these augmented limbs, there doesn't seem to be as many. One drawback that comes to mind is that if these exoskeletons can turn you into a superhuman without very much effort on the human's behalf, it seems like that could result in severe laziness for some of us. Also, if we didn't need to use our own muscles and bones to carry things on a day-to-day basis, it might lead to deterioration of the body for some people. Next, we'll talk about the moral and ethical issues regarding neoevolution, which there are a ton of. For the purpose of simplicity, I'll solely focus on the topic of gene manipulation and the issues regarding it. According to the article titled Ethical Issues in Genetic Engineering and Transgenics, Linda MacDonald Glenn explains that genetic manipulation or genetic engineering uses a variety of tools and techniques from biotechnology and bioengineering to modify an organism's genetic makeup. She then goes on to discuss all sorts of different ethical implications surrounding this topic. A few that she mentioned were as follows: the risk and benefits of the experimental use of animals, the risk of creating new diseases for which there is no treatment by combining animal DNA or human DNA with plant DNA, the potential long-term risk to the environment, the potential for increased suffering of transgenic organisms. Various bioethicists, environmentalists, and animal rights activists have argued that it is wrong to create animals that would suffer as a result of genetic alteration, and that such experimentation should be banned. Finally, I will finish up with my thoughts and opinion of neotechnology and whether we should continue to pursue it. Honestly, the idea of living to 150 years old, 3D printers that can make you whatever you want, exoskeletons transforming someone into a superhuman, a cure for cancer, all of this stuff sounds really exciting to me. But then you have self-driving cars, robots that do all of our work for us, being able to choose your baby's eye color, hair color, etc. This stuff scares me a little bit. But in my opinion, I think we should keep on with this form of technology because I believe more good will come from it than harm will. There are probably going to be some things that might get screwed up throughout the whole process, but wouldn't it be worth it if your kids never knew anyone who died from cancer? Or if you could truly live to 150 years? I believe it would be worth it.